Hi everyone! Today I will be showed by Avatar World and the Rachel's Family Plan TV. And today we'll be show. This video is saw the rainstorm and snowstorm, but it's not a rainstorm. It's just the only snowstorm. Oh, sorry. And also we got power went out. Watch the video till the end. It's very interesting. So let's go. Alright. Okay. Hey kids, come on. The snow is falling. We want to go to the snow day, but it's coming to snowstorm. Right? Yeah. Alright. Okay, guys. Can you have a making food? Sure. Okay. Do you want to play? Okay. Stop crying. Oh, it's okay. All right. Okay, can you make your food? Sure, you may. This one. Anyways, good luck. Okay. All right, let's make your food. And you got dinner table. This is for you. All right, the French fries are ready. Okay. Oh my god, the light's got one left. Oh no, the dark out. Alright. Okay. Come on, kids. Let's go in your living room. Okay. Oh no, it's something it's wrong. It's horrible. Yes. Ah! Oh my god, this starting too dark. Oh no, what happened? Ah! Oh my gosh. Who is that? Oh my god, are you okay? Are you lonely? Oh my god, can you find the flashlight? Okay. Where's the flashlight? There he is. Oh no, it's so creepy. Oh my god. Well, it's so cold. That's not fair at all. Alright. Can you find this? Rachel, do you want to have a bathroom? Sure. Okay, come on, let's go. Take the flashlight. Oh no, the water is gone. Alright, let's go in first floor. this is so dark. Yeah, I agree, but it's too scary. Me too. Oh my god, the dark is out. Yeah. Yay, it's 5 minutes. Ah! Ah! Oh no, run! Quick, the snowstorm is coming. Psh! Ah! Oh my god! What happened to my snowstorm? When this destroyed? Well, that's okay, kids. You have it right now. Okay, do you want it? Well, it's okay. Do you want to have... Psh! Oh my god, oh my god, ah! Oh no, poor. I want to call the office right now. Do you want to have a call the office? Hello? We need to help the lights go out. Okay. Do you want the lights go out now? Do you want to turn on the lights? Sure. Okay. Bye. Alright, the lights manager is coming. Let's turn on. Hi! Oh no, the lights go off. Where did you go, guys? Where did you go? Oh my god, he's turning to the dark one. Okay, let's find out in the lights. Come on, family, let's go. Come on, families. Come on, family, let's go. Let me see. Oh no, the lights go back. I'll only choose this one. Okay, this is 3rd floor. Oh no, the lights go off. Let's go 1st floor. Can you have some magic wand? Sure. Where is he? Oh no, the lights go shadow. Ah! There you go. Okay. Abracadabra, boom. Yay, we did it. Yay. Great idea. Here's a magic wand. How much? It's $100. Oh my god, it's cheap. Here you go. Bye. Yay, the lights go on. Alright guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and enjoy the video.